So hello, and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. So many of you have been asking me regarding the actual consumption of a BMW. So I'm going to tell you right off the bat my humble opinion. In general, they tend to say a little bit more than it actually consumes. So let me explain that. So for instance, right now it says it consumes 6.8 liters every 100 kilometers, but in reality it will be around 6.2 liters or so on. A little bit more, a little bit less. So in general, I would say that BMW tells you that it consumes a little bit more than what it actually consumes. Now, is this a positive thing? Well, I would reckon so, as in the sense that if you have a lot of consumption, it will technically be a little bit less than what it actually shows you. Now, other than that, I think it's a great actual fact that your actual BMW underscores a little bit in terms of consumption wise, because in this sense it just makes things so much easier if you actually need a little bit less money spending in terms of consumption. So mine is 6.8 liters, but in reality it's around 6.2. So that's my humble opinion. As always, if you've got any questions, just leave it down in the comments below, and thank you very much for watching.